Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like you're fighting a battle you can't win? Not overseas, but right here at home. A struggle of paperwork, of waiting, of confusion. Have you ever felt like you're screaming into a void, trying to get anyone to understand what you've been through? That's the VA shuffle. They send you from one office to another, you wait on hold for hours, and you get denial letters filled with bureaucratic jargon that makes absolutely no sense. It's designed to make you give up. What if I told you that for the next 7 days, you're going to learn a skill that will turn you into the most dangerous person in that fight? A skill that will give you clarity, give you control, and lead you to victory. A skill that could put tens, even hundreds of thousands of dollars into your pocket, tax-free, for the rest of your life. My name is Sam Kim, and I'm a Marine Corps veteran, and for the 25 years after I took off my uniform, I was a casualty of that system. I was in the dark. For 25 years, I missed out. I limped out of bed every morning, my back screaming from years of carrying a pack and jumping out of trucks, and I tell myself, suck it up, Marine. I didn't connect the dots. Nobody ever told me how. I was sitting in a single insulting 0% rating for overactive bladder, thinking that was the end of the story. I thought the aches, the acid reflux from the stress, the bad knee, I thought was just the price of getting old. It's not. It's the price of our service, and it's debt that is owed. My turning point came from a terrible week. I was denied an increase, and I was told my condition wasn't service connected, despite a mountain of evidence I gathered. I got fed up. I decided to stop being a victim and start being a student. I spent hundreds of hours late nights fueled by coffee, digging into 38 code of federal regulations, reading through thousands of pages of court decisions, and studying the BVA cases. I decided to learn from the system to crack the code. And using the same process I'm about to teach you, I went from 0% rating to 100% permanent total rating under 14 months. And let me tell you, when that letter confirming my 100% PNT rating hit my mailbox, that wasn't just the money. It was about validation. It was about finally being heard. What I'm going to show you this week is quite literally revolutionary. We're going to take the VA claims process and flip it on its head. How? We'll be using the power of a secret weapon that almost nobody is talking about. Generative AI, or large language models. We're going to use it to do nearly all of our heavy lifting for us. You heard me right, this technology is your new lawyer or VSO tirelessly going to work for you for 24/7. We're going to use it to find every single condition you can claim, even secondary conditions you never thought of. You tell it, I hurt my knee in the service, and the AI will come back with, okay, let's explore claims for arthritis in that knee, but also radiculopathy in your lower back from your changes in gait, maybe in depression, secondary to chronic pain. It connects dots you didn't even know existed. We're going to use it to write powerful winning statements in support of your disabilities. It's even going to help us draft the perfect nexus letters we need to connect those dots for the VA. The next 7 days are going to be an eye-opening experience for you. This isn't your grandfather's VA claim strategy. Best of all, the entire bootcamp is free. It wouldn't cost you a single dime, so forget about paying a stupid lawyers 30% of your back pay for a template letter. Forget about waiting months to call back from a clueless, overworked VSO who has thousands of other veterans to worry about and can only give you 15 minutes of their time. You can do this. You're your own best advocate. Think about it. You went to the boot camp, whether it was Paris Island, San Diego, Great Lakes, Lackland. You were broken down to rebuild into a new weapon. You learned how to disassemble and reassemble your rifle in the dark. You can navigate LATNAV course in the dead of night. You already have the intelligence. You need a new set of orders for a new mission, and I'm here to give it to you. Welcome to your VA Claims Mastery Bootcamp. Here's the detailed battle plan for this week. Day 1 is introductions and orientation. Day 2, taking inventory. We're conducting a thorough review of your service records to identify everything you've owed, disability-wise. Day 3, filing for the benefits you deserve. We're covering a step-by-step strategy for a decision-ready claim. Day 4, how to write a winning statements. I'll give you my formula for turning your story into compelling evidence. Day 5, getting service connected through Nexus letters. We're demystifying the single most important document you need. Day 6, supplemental claims and evidence gathering. We'll turn denials into your roadmaps for success. And there's Day 7, the inner circle. This is a day you've been waiting for. This is where we talk about taking your claim to the next level. For those of you who want to work closely with me, who are looking to done with your situation to get across the finish line, this is your day. I'm going to pull back the curtain and show you how you can get community coaching and the direct help you need to upgrade an extra rating or finally get your new ratings approved. On day 7, I will personally guide you through the process of booking one-on-one strategy, Contact me if you're looking for a next level detailed assistance. And on day 7, we're going to help you put together all the evidence and the application forms you need to send in to the VA to complete your disability application file. This is the ultimate accelerator for your claim. I'll tell you more when we get there, but trust me, you don't want to miss it. This is your chance to take control. This isn't just a course, this is a movement. It's about a new generation of veterans reclaiming their power from the broken system. Your life's about to change. The peace of mind you're about to have, the security of your family you're about to feel, it all starts now. It all starts with your decision. So are you with me? Are you ready to finally get paid for your service, your sacrifice, your disabilities? Are you prepared to get service connected? Welcome to day 1. Let's launch into this new journey together. I'll see you in the inside.